In this video, we will learn how to pay invoices on the PayPal credit card. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Now, go to your dashboard or activity and select the invoice or money request. Then, choose your payment method. After that, review the details carefully and click Complete the Purchase or Send Payment to confirm. If you're using PayPal app, here's what to do. First, open the app and find the invoice or the money request in your dashboard or activity. Next, View Invoice and Pay. Then select the payment method. After that, review the details and confirm your purchase, or send to finish if you do not have a PayPal account. Then check your email box for the invoice. Now click View and click Pay Invoice. Then select Pay with debit or credit card. After entering your payment details, click Pay. Now, to complete the process, finally, be cautious of unfamiliar invoices, or if something seems suspicious, avoid clicking any links or calling any numbers provided in the invoice. Instead, log on to the PayPal website or app to report the issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.